All right. So let's do this. So we're supposed to derive this equation. Did that intimidate anyone? Okay. So what you should do is just say like, okay, I don't know how to derive that, but I know how to do what he taught me how to do. So you see this, what's the first thing you should do? Yeah, force diagrams. So you see tension going in there, and so you know that's T equals M1 V squared over R. And then you see tension up, and you see FG down, so that's T equals M2G. Have I lost anybody? That should make sense, right? And then just like on your lab, hopefully you remember, okay, this thing, especially because it's on some plate thing, I don't have to worry about an angle. So this is going to be M1 V squared over R equals M2G. And what is it that we're supposed to come up with? Period. Where is period in that? What is period? Yeah, period is just the time it takes to go around once. That's P. So, does it make sense to you that this V is 2 pi R over P? It's the circumference divided by P. So then, I can stick that in there and say M1, you know what, that's annoying. So, let me, oh, I know, let me do this. I'll solve everything for V first. So I'll get M1 over M2GR equals V, so then I can then take the square root of this. So V is going to equal to M1 over M2GR. All right? Now, that means I have those two things equaling V. So I can say, M1 over M2GR equals 2 pi R over P. And now if I want to get P by itself, I can just kind of swap this, right? I can do like a little flippy-flop thing. And I get P is equal to 2 pi R. And then if I put that on the bottom, I guess I'll put it here just to not lose people. M1 over M2GR. Any questions? Have I lost anybody yet? Question?
That's the derivative.
Oh, I haven't even taken the derivative, nothing. I'm just doing algebra. Okay. This problem, the physics ended here. That was it. You knew the physics. After that, it's just algebra. So now I want P to have like a reasonable rational answer. So I have to do this. 2 pi R times the square root of M2GR over M1. It's right there. There's no money in it, but go ahead.
Okay. Can we come to the quantitative to get pi or like pi visibility?
Oh, okay, sure. Okay, questions? Here, does this make sense? You see what I did? I just inverted this. Everybody go with that? Okay, so if that's true, then do you see that this R, if I square that and take the square root, I can now move it inside here. Wait a minute, did I do something wrong? I did something wrong somewhere. GR. Oh, that was genius. Right here. Did you see it? Right here? There's a mistake. This should be the other way around. Because if I'm getting V squared by itself, it should be M2GR over V. I'm sorry, over M1, sorry. Everybody see that? Right? Divide this by that. So then that flips these two. Oops. So that flips that, and then it flips this. So let me correct that, sorry. So this should be M2GR over M1. This is M2GR over M1. And now when I flip this, I get M1 over M2GR. And so if I put that, so this becomes 2 pi square root of m1 r squared over m2 gr. That r cancels with that one, and this is that. Okay, questions? So as Gracie mentioned, what she said was instead of mv squared over r, you could use t equals m omega squared r if you wanted to, right? And then omega is just 2 pi over p. There's no, you don't have to put the r there. Nicole, Nicole, sit down. Right? And I mean, you do all the same stuff, just have that instead. Okay, so both are done, are good? Sorry, does that make sense now? Okay, because what I did was I said, okay, this is supposed to be V, but then what's V? V is 2 pi r over P. So either way it works. Okay, so I'm sorry? Oh. What's that? That was omega. Any questions? No? Okay, so I will be here after school today. You obviously have a late start tomorrow, so yeah. What? Okay, that's good, Nicole. To be clear, your test is tomorrow. Your test will have either this or this. It is going to be one of those two. It is not going to be exactly like one of these. And in fact, I have like an awesome little, we call it epiphany. Yeah, it is epiphany. Last period. So, yeah, that was cool. I'm going to work on that tonight, see if I can get that to work. So, think about the things that are in there, right? It's gonna involve energy, it's gonna involve forces, it's gonna involve all that kind of stuff, probably gonna involve graphing. Yeah. No, I won't have these straight. Okay? All right.